Hey, what's up everybody? So, I just want to tell everyone why I'm not really buying a whole bunch of stuff, and hopefully I'm going to be able to get everything done these next couple months, get everything listed, get everything sent off, so I can really hit garage sales hard. So why I'm not really buying stuff, I just have so much stuff to go through, so much stuff to list, and so I have a few things I want to talk about. First thing I bought recently was a whole bunch of magic cards that I need to go through, and I'm going through them right now. I probably have around 5 more boxes to go through. I've gone through a couple boxes, went through like a box today. So I have like 5 more boxes to go through. I think I can knock that out by the end of the week. Today is Wednesday. We can probably go through those 5 boxes by the end of the week. Hopefully a majority of it tomorrow. So let's see. And then I have a whole bunch of Amazon returns that I need to list on eBay. So that's probably going to be my next step. Listing those. I have some boxes of them. They were in the back of my car, but now I put them on my porch. Just a whole bunch of stuff that I need to list on eBay. A lot of media, a lot of electronic stuff that didn't sell on Amazon. So that'll probably be pretty quick. A lot of them are going to be pretty easy to take pictures of, seeing that they're like DVDs and books. So, that'll be quick. And then we got, next thing I have to go through is a whole bunch of Hot Wheels that I still have from like a year ago. They just took so long to try to list on Amazon because you have to type in each one manually to look them up. Seeing as like their barcodes don't scan. If you scan their barcode, that product's not going to come up, so you have to search each one manually. So I still have quite a bit of Hot Wheels to go through. That's probably going to be the one that's going to take the most time, and I'll probably be doing that up until May, when garage sales start. And then hopefully I'll be able to hit those garage sales pretty hard. Hopefully I'm going to get some sales started on Amazon from these Hot Wheels and from all this stuff. I've still been going to a few Goodwills. So I got my Bluetooth scanner. I've still been going to a few Goodwills to try to test it out. And actually next month is going to be a book sale. A couple book sales I might go to, and I'll show you guys those. Probably not do a whole lot of filming in the book sale because a lot of libraries don't really like scanners, people that scan books to sell for profit. So probably not do a whole lot of filming inside when I'm scanning stuff, but I will be talking about it.